Hello, and welcome to our SkillsEngine tutorial on ending a feedback session and viewing the results. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to conclude the session and access the results. First, open the profile for which you have a feedback session currently ongoing. Click on the Feedback tab at the top of the profile page. Then click on the End Session button. A confirmation window will appear. Select End Session and download feedback to conclude the session. Once you've done this, the feedback data will automatically download to your device. Open the downloaded file to view the detailed feedback results. From within the Feedback tab, you can see and monitor the number of reviewers, their types, and their locations, alongside a summary of how many skills were rated as critical, important, beneficial, or irrelevant. This section can give you a temperature check on how you've done with the profile as a whole. You can then expand each skill set to see the average rating for each skill. Any skill set that contains a skill with high variance across reviewer ratings will have a purple flag along the left side of the skill set. Expand the skill set to see which skills in particular have a high variance, which might indicate differing opinions among reviewers. If you have run multiple feedback sessions on a profile, you can view and download the results of each by switching between the different sessions at the top. This can help with identifying and understanding changes and trends over time. That's it. You've successfully ended a feedback session and viewed the results. This process will allow you to gather valuable insights to refine and improve your profiles. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.